just started my truck, and the truck is asking for Parked Regen, and the only reason I don't want to start the Parked Regen is because the truck is so cold. The truck keeps shutting down. Like you can see, it just shut down on me again. But I don't know, I don't feel comfortable starting the truck and do the Parked Regen on this one. So I just want to make sure it's a warm up a little bit, and I just started this truck after a few weeks, and it's asking me for Parked Regen now, as my truck is still cold, and I had trouble starting the truck because of the low batteries. So as you can see, I have the check engine light and stop engine light on, and also the regen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it start for a little bit and see if it let me warm up the truck so I can start the Parked Regen. So I'm just gonna idle it for a little bit. I know it's gonna keep shutting down on me, but I want to be on the safe side, so let's see what happens. Alright, as you can see, I reach at temperature 150. It keeps shutting down on me after like a minute, and then I have to restart it. I just wanted to make sure that I'm at the right temperature before I start the Forced Regen, and I put the device on. So as you can see, I'm at the 150, and I'm gonna start the Forced Regen now. As you know, this device already have instructions on it, DTC plus AFT plus regen instructions. So over here, as you can see, it must be at the 160 degrees, so I'm almost there. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna follow the steps. Step on the brake, brake in, brake out, put in a gear, neutral, and then I'm gonna put the device on. Just put the device on. And it just started the regen process. As you know, it's gonna take around 30 to 45 minutes to complete the Forced Regen process.